Hello guys, Tasdile, Namaskar, Chajalo, Jojalapa. Welcome to Arjal YouTube channel. Today I will show you the old film projector. How the film was been showed in olden days, how it was filmed and showed in the film hall. Okay, please enjoy and see and enjoy. Please, thank you. This is the old projector. You can see how the film has been sold in the olden days. Film कसरी गरिन्थ्यो यहाँ छ है. This is the old film projector, and the name of this projector is here. And the projector is here. You can see this old projector. Projector कसरी चाहिँ चलाइन्थ्यो. It's a very old projector. Projector यो चाहिँ कसरी चलाइन्थ्यो olden days मा. फिल्म कसरी देखाइन्थ्यो भन्ने कुरो. This is an old projector. This is a projector है. अझै छ फिल्महरु. कुन चाहिँ फिल्मको रिल त अझै लडिरहेछ. Please enjoy. This is an old projector. Name of this projector is Bauer here. These are the buttons how they used to project the. This is the projector. How the film has been. And the next is the projector को नाम है यहाँ से. This is the name of the projector. And the next here is view another projector. Old projector how the film has been sold in the olden days. कसरी देखाइन्थ्यो film कसरी देखाइन्थ्यो. Old projector. Hello guys, this is how in olden days they used to show the film. This is a projector. This is the projector. This very old projector. Its name is here. This is the projector name. Very old. It's a very old projector. They have kept in the film hall. This is a very old projector. You can see the film also. You can see the film also. This old projector. Very old projector. They have kept here. And this is how they used to show the film in olden days. It's a very old projector. It's a projector. Hey, olden days में कसरी देखाइन्थ्यो film. Film कसरी देखाइन्थ्यो भनेको. How they used to show the film. And projector. Projector कसरी चाहिँ film देखाइन्थ्यो. Please everyone enjoy. Next projector is this one. Bauer B14. So next projector. In olden days how they used to show the film. This is the projector. It's a very old projector. You can check. It's a very old projector to show the film. But now they are not using. They are keeping us. It's a very old projector. It's a very old projector. How they used to show the film. You can see the reel is still the reel is there. You can check. How old is very old. Very old. You can see. Very old projector. Very old, you can see. Very old projector. very old projector. चाहिँ प्रोजेक्टर कसरी फिल्म देखाइन्थ्यो भनेको हो। यहाँ चाहिँ तपाईँको यो चलाउने फिल्म यो प्रोजेक्टर है। प्लिज इन्जोय। पहिले कसरी फिल्म देखाइन्थ्यो इन ओल्डन डेज, बेल्जियममा यो सिनेमा हलमा कसरी फिल्म देखाइन्थ्यो भने प्लिज एभ्रीवन इन्जोय। ओके, please enjoy the projector vlog. Okay, please everyone, thank you.